Welcome to new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about shell command. So in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about different parameters in shell command. Those are like how to use different wall thickness, how to remove multiple faces during applying for a shell, use multi-thickness settings, how fillet effect on cavity shape, and I will explain how to remove faces from complex part. To access this command, we can access it from this command manager. You can see over here, it's right now it's not showing us, but you can select it from here, or you simply go to insert, go to features and share. For now I insert my sketch in front plane, simply draw one geometry. So now I'm going to access cell feature from this command manager. Simply press cell, and when you press cell, one property manager appears on left side with few options. So first option is for parameters. By here adding or giving dimension, we can adjust our wall thickness. In this selection window, we can select the faces that we want to remove. We can also select multiple faces from here. This one shows we want shell outward or inward, and this one is for assessing preview. Next important option is multiple thickness. So if we want from one side we want different thickness in shell command, then we can give different thickness by selecting particular face. I simply uncheck this option for now. Make sure shell is inward, so uncheck this option as well, show on preview, and simply press OK. I haven't select any faces yet, so I simply show how shell command works, and I simply go to section view, and you can see from here. So we have given 1 centimeter thickness to our wall. For edit the feature, simply press right click and go to edit feature. So when you apply the wall thickness, please keep in your mind then your wall thickness must be lesser than almost half of the dimension of your largest side. So let's say the largest dimension in this for this block is 10 centimeter. So your wall thickness should be lesser than 5 centimeter. So if you give more than 5 centimeter wall thickness, let's say I am giving here 5.1, then rebuild error will occur. Again switch to 1 centimeter. Now we are going to remove faces by selecting this selection window. I'm trying to remove front face, and you can see the changes. Press OK. So our face that we have selected over here, front face, is going to remove as we selected in selection window. I can also select multiple faces, clear the selection, select this. So I have selected almost 5 faces, press OK, and you can see the changes in preview. We can also give multiple thickness as well by accessing multiple thickness option. For now, I am clearing all those options. Simply select this top face and access the multi thickness settings. Select front face for my multi thickness and give 4 cm, let's say 3 cm thickness from this face, and you can see the changes. So I selected top face for removing the face, and for my multi thickness I selected front face. So must be the wall from my front face would be 3 cm in thickness, and elsewhere it will be remain to 1 cm, and my top face is going to remove. Simply press OK and you can see the changes. So my wall from front face is going to be 3 cm in wall thickness, and elsewhere it's remained the same for 1 cm. We can also see from section view. We select the top portion and you can see preview. Now I am going to show how fillets are affecting on cavity shape. So simply I cancel this command, remove the shell command for now. Simply add fillet, and I am going to add 1.5 cm fillet. And select the edges. Okay, I select these 2 edges on top. Simply press OK. Now I can access this cell command. I haven't select any faces. For remove, simply select wall thickness 1 cm and press OK. Make sure this shell outward option is going to uncheck. It should be unchecked. Access section view, and I want it in front, and you can see the changes. So there is one important rule: if your fillet is greater than your wall thickness, then inside edges is also going to round its, and if your fillet is lesser than wall thickness, then inside corners where you have applied fillet, those are going to sharpen or remain sharp corners. I show you right now our fillet is greater than wall thickness, so inside corners are showing round, or it has fillet. And now if I change the fillet value, if I change it to 0.75, so our wall thickness is 1 cm, and if I change my fillet value to 0.75, you can see the changes. So inside corner will be remain sharpened, though we have add fillet on corners. So now I'm going to use complex part for showing you how to remove faces on complex part. Simply minimize this option, open a new part. This is our complex part, and I'm going to apply shell command and remove the faces from this complex part. Shell. In thickness we are going to apply 2.5 millimeters. In selection window we are going to select multiple faces. First this, and back. Press OK. You can see in preview, you can see the changes over here. So friends, that's all in shell command. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.